A very good morning to you children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, as it is Saturday today, it's time for GK class. And today in GK, we are going to study chapter number 6, that is body language. Now, it is based on language and literature. And as you know that in Hindi, you also study something known as muhavre. In the same way, we are going to learn some idioms. Idioms literally means muhavre in Hindi. Now, certain idioms are derived from the names of the body parts. So, certain idioms, they have been derived from some body parts. In those idioms, some of our body part is used. Such idioms help to make English language more picturesque and effective. So, why we use these idioms in our language? Because they help to make our language very, very effective and interesting. Now, listed below are a few such idioms. Write their meanings in the blanks provided. You may use the help box. Now, before we come to the idiom and we write their meaning, you can see there is one box given, and in this box they have just given you the names of the body parts which are used in the idioms. Let us study these idioms and then we will be writing their meanings from the help box we have to select. The first idiom which they have given to us is tooth and nail. And tooth and nail means with one's full might. When we do something by putting all our strength in that work, we are said to be working with tooth and nail. Second is hold one's tongue. Hold one's tongue literally does not mean that we are holding our tongue. It simply means be silent or to be quiet. When we stop speaking something, we are said to have held our tongue. Third one is be on one's toes. So when somebody is on toes, it means that person is on alert. So be on one's toes means to keep someone very, very alert all the time. Number fourth is live from hand to mouth. So when someone is just living from hand to mouth, it means he is not able to fulfill one's basic needs. जब हम अपनी बेसिक नीड्स या अपनी बेसिक ज़रूरतों को मुश्किल से पूरा कर पाते हैं, as you can see in this pandemic time, many people have lost their jobs, they are out of money, they are just able to live from hand to mouth only. Next is pull someone's leg. So when you are pulling someone's leg means you are teasing that person. आप उस person को चिढ़ा रहे हैं, that is called pulling someone's leg. To be the backbone means to be the main support. So, when somebody is the backbone, it means he or she is the main support. Putting heart and soul. Put heart and soul means devote fully. When we are fully devoting our time, our energy, our money, everything means we are putting our heart and soul. Above someone's head. When we say above someone's head, it is something which is difficult to understand. आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि हिंदी में लोग बोलते हैं ये बात हमारे सर के ऊपर से चली गई. Means it was difficult, so that person could not understand. Next is give somebody a big hand. Giving someone a big hand does not mean कि अपना हाथ दे देना किसी को. It just means to cheer someone, to applaud someone, to cheer for someone. Make one's hair stand on its end. It means to scare someone. किसी को डरा देना. जब हम बोल रहे हैं make someone's hair stand on its end, we means we are scaring someone. The next one is burn one's fingers. Burn one's finger generally refers to some kind of a loss, and mostly it is financial loss. When we have financial loss, means we have burnt our fingers. The next one is keep an eye on. So keeping an eye on someone means to watch carefully. Beat one's brain out means you think a lot from the brain. So obviously beat one's brain means to think hard about something. The next idiom is with open arms. With open arm means with great warmth. Mostly we speak in Hindi also we say कि खुले हाथों से स्वागत करना, which means we have great warmth for somebody. The last one is bring someone to his or her knees. So bringing someone to his or her knees means force somebody to submit. Right, children? So these 15 idioms we have learned today, in which we are making use of any one of our body part, and they obviously have some deep meaning which we have learned today. So you do this work, complete them in your books, the meanings, and then you can learn and revise them. Till then, have a nice day.